How to create professional CV with AI. First, open ChatGPT and enter your personal information, including your full name, phone number, email address, education, skills, work experience, and any certifications or projects you'd like to include. Once you've added your details, type this prompt. Write a professional one-page CV using my details. Keep it short, clear, and job-ready. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a complete CV for you. If the content is too long, simply type "make it one page," and it'll shorten the CV while keeping all the important information. Once you're satisfied with the result, copy the entire text. Next, open Canva and type "resume" or "CV" into the search bar. You'll see a wide variety of professionally designed templates. Choose one that has a clean and simple layout, then click on it to start editing. If you don't already have a Canva account, you can create one for free in just a few seconds. Now replace the sample name with your own, then paste the CV content you copied from ChatGPT into the template. Take a little time to adjust the spacing, font size, and alignment so that everything fits neatly on a single page. A clean and well-organized CV is much easier for employers to read. Before downloading your CV, review everything carefully. Double-check your contact information, look for any spelling or grammar mistakes, and make sure the layout is neat and easy to read. When everything looks perfect, click the Share button in the top right corner, select Download, and choose PDF Print to get the highest quality version of your CV. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've created a professional, job-ready CV using ChatGPT and Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.